You might not be able to drop anchor on a kayak, but you can absolutely slay fish.
Got one.
Kayak fishing is a whole different game. Without an anchor to lock you down, you can't just camp out in one spot. You're constantly on the move, so you're firing off casts while drifting. Most of the time, you're just trolling your lure behind you while you float. If you're trying to make fishing content, I would definitely suggest getting one of these. I got my kayak off Facebook Marketplace and I think I spent about $200. Kayak fishing isn't perfect though, so be safe. I've fallen in the river before and that's definitely not fun.
Whoa, dude, this thing's small.
Shuttling can also be a pain, but if you got a fishing buddy, it'll all work out.